Huawei sent me over to Dubai to check out a bunch of new products the company has coming your way across its notebooks, wearables, and even some new audio devices. This product launch marked likely the largest we have seen from Huawei in a while, and there's a lot to cover. First off, we have the Huawei Watch Fit 3. This new sleek and fashionable wearable has been completely redesigned from the ground up. It now features a square-faced design with a 1.82-inch display. Huawei says the new smartwatch promises to revolutionize the way users monitor their health, stay connected with others, and express their personal style. The new square design is only 9.9mm thin, and the watch body only weighs 26 grams. Huawei has also included the latest advanced health and fitness monitoring features on the watch, including the new Huawei True Sleep 4.0 and the Huawei True Scene 5.5 health monitoring. Combined, users will be able to monitor their heart rates, sleeping patterns, post-fitness cooldown periods, daily walking, and more. I think the Watch Fit 3 has had a much-needed revamp. Yes, the square design does look familiar, but it works. The red dial on some of the models also adds quite a bit of flair to the device, and the sleeker design makes it one of the lightest smartwatches you can buy on the market. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 is the only product I have pricing for at this time. The device is retailing in South Africa for 2,999 Rand and will launch on 14 May. You can pre-order the Watch Fit 3 today, and Huawei will throw in a pair of FreeBuds SE2 valued at 1,499 Rand for free. The new Huawei MateBook X Pro is likely my favorite new products from the batch. Huawei has really gone all out with this device, cramming in as much tech as possible while keeping it incredibly thin and lightweight. The notebook now only weighs 980 grams. At its thinnest point, it is 4mm thin, which is pretty wild. The display on the notebook is a 14.2-inch flexible OLED with a resolution of 3.1K. It is also powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9 CPU, meaning this device is also a decent workhorse. Overall, this is an impressive notebook. You can pick it up with 2 fingers and even open the device's lid without the bottom lifting off the table. I especially found Huawei's approach to its motherboard fascinating. The company has split up the internal board, so the screen, SoC, and cooling is on a separate board compared to the USB-C ports. The 3 boards are then divided by new redesigned fans, which Huawei say have been improved by AI. I don't know, this is a pretty impressive Windows notebook. I can see this device winning awards and completely knocking its competition out of the water. Every time I thought it was missing a feature, I found it. For example, I didn't even know it had a touch screen until I touched the display and it worked. The younger brother of the MateBook range has also been revamped. The Huawei MateBook 14 is now green and is slightly bigger than the X Pro. It also includes a 14-inch 2.8K flexible OLED panel with touchscreen support. Huawei has also added M-Pencil support to the device, so you can draw and take notes on the touchscreen display. It comes with some internal improvements too, like the Intel Core Ultra processor. So the performance you can expect from the chip is there. Huawei wants this device to be the more affordable MateBook, and so far it looks like it might be. It would be for those who don't need the X Pro features. Huawei's new MatePad 11.5S isn't meant to be a revamp of its already popular MatePad Pro. Instead, this device lives on its own and offers its own experience. Of course, the biggest selling point here is the paper-like paper matte display that Huawei has spent a lot of time making. The paper matte display is a virtually reflection-free glass panel that feels like paper but has more advantages than just feeling like paper. Huawei has used the paper matte as an opportunity to add anti-blue light technology onto the glass, so it helps with eye care. The company says that it eliminates 97% of all light interference. The panel also provides an incredible amount of clarity on the display compared to using your usual paper-like screen protectors that blur the image. It all then works flawlessly with the M Pen 3. The device itself is also quite a beefy tablet. It packs a resolution of 2.2K and a refresh rate of 120Hz. All of this is crammed into a tablet that is only 6.85mm thin. You can also attach the tablet to a Huawei Smart Keyboard. Huawei is now releasing the free clip earphones in a beige color. While the company didn't change any internal components on these earphones, the beige color now adds to the current purple and black models on the market and will give customers new options to choose from. I think the beige looks nice and it should live nicely alongside the rest. The Huawei FreeBuds 6i, on the other hand, are new. Huawei has improved the FreeBuds 6i across various features, but most notable is likely the added ANC 3.0. The feature includes various tweaks to the system, including a new noise filtering chamber. This helps dampen the outside noise before feeding it into the 3-microphone system, which then calculates what sound to replicate and cancel. Huawei has also improved the audio in the earphones too with the new 11mm ultramagnetic driver. The company says it is now able to produce bass as low as 14 Hz. The system also supports LDAC HD audio, which means the FreeBuds 6i are now high-res audio wireless certified. The battery on the Huawei FreeBuds 6i packs up to 35 hours without ANC and up to 20 hours with ANC enabled. Of course, that is when using the case to recharge the buds. The buds themselves last roughly 8 hours per charge. So those are the few products that Huawei have coming to South Africa very soon. Are you looking to pick any of these products up? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll try update the description below as Huawei announces pricing and availability for each of them. As usual, thanks for watching, and please visit glitch.online for more gaming tech news and reviews. And until next time, farewell.